see your hair. Wait. Oh no, your hair's fine.
One of those? Yeah.
Why are we like
making this awkward?
Awkward moments.
Why don't you record yourself?
No, that's even awkward. There goes Abby. Right there. There's Rachel. And there's Leisha floating on the top.
That's Darren.
And there's Jared, the black thing.
Ew, I had to be the ugly one. And there's Donnie, the Elmo doll. Abby's stalker. Yeah, I look like her.
Donnie. Oh, funny.
What's his name?
Well,
Donnie.
Donnie.
He's 23. And he's creepy looking.
Because he did Abby's Because Abby made a sandwich.
Why do you keep on recording me? This isn't embarrassing.
Okay, say bye, guys. I'm gonna turn it off.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Say bye, you guys.